my Cobra. It's been a while, but the Cobra's back. It had a small oil leak and I just didn't use it. Got that fixed and thought today would be a good day to bring it out. This video is brought to you by carholder.com, the free online car show directory. And today's car show is the PistonHeads Sunday Service at BMW Farnborough. So I thought I'd take the Cobra out, give Chloe a ride as well. And it's going to rain later, so that's great. But it's sunny now, so I'll catch up with you once we're a little bit closer. Right, so I'm just arriving. Still quite far away to be honest, and there's a long queue to get in. Like ridiculous.
Oh my god, is this to get in?
This is to get in. Yeah, we're going to be here a while. It's down there.
Oh.
Morning.
So if you park, you'll see there's a car just parking up on there on the left actually. So
By the performance?
yeah, so if you go around to the right, then don't worry about going up the multi-story.
Don't do. So I'm in the special parking alongside this brand new 600 LT and a few other tasty machines that are probably too low to go up the nice echoey multi-story car park that I was looking forward to. But here is the Cobra in all its glory, pride of place in the paddock, and a brand new 600 LT. But today's video will be mainly the cars leaving the event. All the captures of the event in here will be on my Instagram, which is here, which you've probably already missed, but they'll be on there somewhere. But yes, I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the event today. So I'm now at the exit. I'm using a GoPro because my battery on my video camera is out, so I don't know how this is going to work. I can use a bit of camera.
Get really close.
Really close. Steady on. Film me more. Oh no. Jag. That's why you drive a Jag. You can drive that car through all of the 4 seasons. That's ridiculous. That's not standard. It's not even a VXR, it's just a... Everything's happening. Feeling a bit blue today, are we? Here comes Rudolph in a hurry to make them deliveries. Someone had us carrots this morning. Oh my god, that's the thumbnail. Bye, see you. It's moist underfoot.
So slow.
You're out too slow. Steady on. And that was pretty much it. I am back at my Cobra, so I'm going to now depart myself. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thought I'd put a bit of the Cobra in this car's leaving video because you haven't seen the car for quite a while. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the pictures that I post whilst I'm at these events. But for now, thanks for watching.